Hi everyone, I had done an assignment from Skyfi Labs on machine learning. My project title is to predict the price of the house. This is source code for that. First of all, I import all the necessary libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, sklearn, etc. Step 1 is a data pre-processing. So for that I load the data set into a variable called boosten, and after that I print the description of that variable. Now we can put the data into a pandas data frame and print it. Here we are selecting age from the above features and displaying it. Now we can store the data frame into another data frame called a target and print it. We can also perform some queries on a target to understand how it works. As we can see here, I perform max and min on the target. We can concatenate features and target into a single data frame. So for that I use axis equals to 1. So it will concatenate column wise, because by default it will concatenate row wise. Now we can also use this describe to find count, mean, standard deviation value, minimum value, percentage values, and maximum value. Step 2 is a data visualization. So to find the attribute which has a maximum correlation with the target value, we need to do this. As we can see here, LState is an attribute which has a maximum correlation with the target value, so we can choose that. Step 3 is a normalization of a data. As we can see here, before normalization data and after the normalization data. So we can say that after the normalization, all the values lie in a common scale. Step 4 is a splitting the data. So we can split the data into training and testing. Here test size is equals to 0.2. So we can say that 80% data are in training and 20% data are in testing. For mean square error, we can define three functions: error, update, and gradient descent, as we can see here. Step 5 is a visualization of a training model. So by using func animation and HTML, we can achieve that, as we can see here. By using scatter and plot, we can also visualize the error. We can also plot error values, as this graph, as we can see here, this is error versus iterations graph. Step 6 is a prediction. So we can calculate the prediction on the test set as a vectorized operation. After that, we can also find mean square error value. By using scatter and plot, we can also plot a graph by using testing data. Our data is in normalized form, so we need to revert it. So by using inverse transform function, we can do that. This is the final output I got. Thank you.